Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to restore a missing tab in Canva if a tool or panel suddenly disappears from your workspace. No need to worry. We will walk you through the simple steps to bring it back on your Canva dashboard. For example, this is your editing page, and you notice some tabs are missing. All we need to do is click on Apps and scroll down until we can see the missing tabs. For example, if the audio tab is missing, as soon as we select it, it will appear here. If we want to remove a tab, just click on Apps, then go back to Apps again and click the tab to deselect it. If we want the Videos tab back, just click on Apps and it will appear again among our tabs. And that is how we restore a missing tab in Canva. With these simple steps, we can get our workspace back to normal and keep designing without any interruptions.